Making daily payments simple is essential in today's world. Bitwala is designed to seamlessly merge traditional banking with the power of cryptocurrency, making it a great tool for your everyday transactions. To start spending, the first step is ensuring your Bitwala account is properly funded. You have the flexibility to top up your account with euros via a standard SEPA transfer using your personal IBAN, or by instantly converting Bitcoin or Ether from your crypto wallet into euros. This dual funding capability is one of Bitwala's biggest advantages. Once your euro balance is ready, daily payments become effortless using the Bitwala Visa debit card. This card acts just like any other bank card, allowing you to pay online, in-store, or withdraw cash from ATMs wherever Visa is accepted. The key difference is the link to your crypto and euro accounts. You can set the euro account as the primary source for your card payments. When you make a purchase, the euro amount is deducted instantly. The Bitwala app is your control center for daily spending. Real-time transaction notifications are sent straight to your phone, so you always know where your money is going. If you ever need to adjust your security, the app lets you instantly freeze or unfreeze your card, set custom limits for different transaction types like online purchases or ATM withdrawals, and manage contactless payments. For those quick, low-value transactions, you can often connect your Bitwala card with mobile payment platforms like Google Pay, enabling fast and secure contactless payments directly from your phone. Bitwala transforms crypto into a truly liquid asset, ready for the checkout line, making it a practical solution for living on crypto every day.